parents are, to helping their children spot opportunities, use opportunities, and develop opportunities. And so, to Mohammed's mother, well done, together. And she saw this advert encouraging young people to apply for our paid project. He was offered a job after completing his internship with the Department of the Premier and plans to study further. He says he has had a great experience so far and is grateful for the opportunities that have been provided to him by the paid project, and I also want to add by his mother, Mrs. Peace. Finally, Abongile Feli also completed her paid internship in 2010. She found out about the paid program through her high school and applied to work in the Provincial Department of Agriculture. She was awarded a full bursary by the department to study bee agriculture at Elsenburg College after finishing her internship and is in her second year of studies. It is really wonderful opportunity, and it's another example of someone getting an opportunity, using it, and progressing in life. She plans to work for the department once she has completed her degree. And I hope I will be there one day. I'll see you sitting in the box over here with all of the other people gathered in the box. These 4 young people are examples of what can be achieved if you have a government committed to building a pipeline of opportunities and citizens who actively seize these opportunities to improve their lives. Mr. Speaker, this is a great example of my deepest vision of opportunity being translated into action. Our government is committed to providing even more skills and opportunities to young people living in this province. We are currently working on a gap year project. It's going to be a very important one. A gap year project. Where young graduates,
Hey, shut up.
Honorable members,
Face him out.
I was referring to our new